What's up guys, back to another YouTuber here, and we're back for another video. And today, we're gonna do the Christmas calendar. Sorry I forgot yesterday. I was at my mom's house, so I couldn't do it. But I'm back at my dad's. And what day is it? It should be I should open day 5 and 6. Both. Alright. So time to open 5. There is 5. There is 5. Nope. Not a character. I think this is the fighter jet. No, not that. X-Wing. If I got this correct. I got it correct. Let's go. I don't know how to do this, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright, so time to build a fighter jet, guys. Let's open up that. Let's do this. What? Okay. That. And let's do that, and alright. Okay, and speak about Christmas, let's try and get 1,000 subscribers before Christmas. Okay, so try and make it happen, guys. It probably won't, but I believe in you guys. I believe you guys can do it. You guys can do it. Okay, building it. And almost done. Now the last thing I need to do is build the wings. Let's do this. That one there. What? This is so confusing. This is so confusing. Alright, let's do that. Then let's do that. And that. And pop it on. Pop it on. Whew, I'm sorry, I'm tired, guys. It is, what's the time? Check later. Pop these on. I'm guessing it's like 10 maybe. 10 o'clock. That's what I'm guessing. But, yeah. I was right. X-Wing, or fighter jet, whatever you want to call it. Damn. X-Wing. Pop him in. Pop him out. Oh, and also I have to give a shout out to, I'm gonna give a shout out to, Aaron, Fanua, and, Josh, and, yeah. Aaron, Sean, Fanua, and Josh. Alright, shout out to you guys. Alright, let's do number 6. Number 6, let's open it up. And of course, not a minifigure. Alright, again, let's go. Alright. We're never gonna get a minifigure, guys. Like, really. The reason I'm doing 2 is because I missed yesterday. So, yeah. I think I already told you guys that. So. Alright. I don't don't know what this is. I don't know. Here, I'll show you guys. I think that's that. It's too hard. I don't know. Maybe General Grievous' ship? For all the Star Wars nerds out there. I remember when I was a big time Star Wars nerd. Star Wars nerd. I remember when I was a big time Star Wars nerd. Anything less time. Let's be honest, who wasn't a Star Wars nerd back then? Let's be honest. Because I remember I was like a big time one. Like, oh my god. I remember when I would only watch Star Wars movies. Alright, building it up. And what the? Oh, that goes there. Okay. That was confusing. It's like, what? You guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. I don't get what this is at all. What is this? What? And you put what is this? Oh, and when I'm all finished building all of these, I'm gonna like do a showcase exactly when it is Christmas, and I will show all you guys what we've built right when it's Christmas. Alright, so if you guys are gonna watch my channel on Christmas for some reason, I love how this is 8 minutes and it's a Lego build along like thing. And it's 8 minutes. I can already hear. I can already like sense the voice in the comments. I sense it. I think I built it. Yep. Alright, that's it. Pretty weird build, but I do not know what this is. If anyone knows what this is, tell me in the comments. But yeah. I know what the X-Wing is. But yeah. Oh, and if you haven't seen if you haven't seen the other Lego Advent Calendar like openings, check them out. Check out my channel, and yeah, drop the like button like it's hot. Got him. Drop the like and subscribe button like it's hot. Yeet. Bye guys.